Hey guys, I'm SJ. Welcome to the Automation Girl YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be chatting all about membership management software. Now, I've been in the membership game for a few years now, and I've tried lots of different ways of doing memberships on my website. And I have to say, I feel like that's been since 2016, but I feel like now I've really found a good mix and balance of way to manage our membership on our WordPress website. So today I'm going to take you through what we use, why we use it, and what we've tried. So like I mentioned, I'm going to refer to my notes as well, so I've made lots of notes about this. So after running the membership since 2016, I've tried and tested lots of different programs. I've tried Kajabi, 10x Pro, WooCommerce, and I just found that all didn't give me what it was that I needed in terms of flexibility, control, ease of cancelling memberships and all the automations that go with that. That was customizable, so I could really manipulate the website the way I wanted to, and had all the automated emails that you want associated with a membership. So what I've come to and what my sweet spot has been is a mixture of Thrivecart, ActiveCampaign and WPFusion. So they're the main softwares that we use in the back end to actually manage our membership and the subscriptions in the way of what members get access to, when do they get access to it, when are emails triggered to be sent. So there's just lots of different things in the background that people don't necessarily think about when they're starting a membership, but once you've been doing it for a few years, they're kind of things that are so crucial, it's not even funny, especially if you want to get things as automated as possible. Obviously, you can't automate absolutely everything, but it's really helpful to be able to automate as much as you can. Using Thrivecart, ActiveCampaign and WPFusion does allow me to have the flexibility, it does allow me to have control, it allows me to have ease of membership cancellation, whether you decide to do it like manually, as in getting them to fill out a form so you can get some more info, or getting them to do it themselves. It means that I can make the back end super customizable, and that goes in the way of directory as well if you're wanting a directory. All the automated emails like credit card expiry, payment failed, cancelling their membership and access to everything once they've had a payment failed are just all things that are really helpful, and they're sent via Thrivecart now, and also just a couple of ActiveCampaign. It allows me to have everything all in one place. So I don't just have a content site that's WordPress where all the blogs or podcasts and things go, and then a separate place where all my courses are, which is how a lot of people do it. So if I was to access their course, I need to remember what their address is to get onto their Kajabi course page that isn't in their website. And if they're not smart enough to put a link on their website, it can be super annoying as well. So it allows me to have everything in one place on one website, where we're building our SEO, where members can log in very easily and have access to courses, memberships, directory, forums, groups, everything all in one. And the theme that we use, which is Body Boss, it goes beautiful with the page builder that we love using as well, which is Elementor. So all the links for all these I'll put in the blog post. So if you're watching this on YouTube, link to the blog post is below in the comments, and we've got links to all the different things that I'm talking about now and in the comments as well, so you can go and find your way around. So let's take a look at what does what and how you can make the most out of these membership management softwares. So the first one we're going to talk about is Thrivecart. So I use Thrivecart to manage payments. It's linked to my Stripe and my PayPal, and I actually have two businesses linked to the one account, which is something that I absolutely love about Thrivecart. So it takes money out of their account, puts it into your account using Stripe, but the actual thing that customers put their information to is Thrivecart. So it collects all of their info, which is great, and then after purchase it creates a login for them to my WordPress website through MemberMouse, and then that adds them to the members list in ActiveCampaign as well, and it triggers a whole different things off in ActiveCampaign, so they get their lovely welcome email when they do join, and it'll add in tags for me as well. The beautiful thing about Thrivecart is, one, it takes all the information. Two, the sales pages I found are actually quite very good at converting, and they're easy to customize, so you can have testimonials on there, coupon codes like normal, information, bullet points, just to really help. You can even put videos on there if you want to, but that just really helps clarify things for your potential member or customer. And I also use Thrivecart for a lot of the services that we do in the Automation Girl anyway. So by paying once, which is another thing that I absolutely love about Thrivecart, I've paid for it, I've had it for years, and it's done so many transactions for me. It's got its money back, like, I don't know how many timefold. It also automatically sends member related emails for their payments, which is awesome. Then finally, when someone does cancel their membership, it does all the reverse of what it's done in the first place. When someone purchases, it adds tags, it adds them to automations so that I can manage permissions, and I'm going to get into more about, we're building on one on top of the other. It also reverses that, so it will take them out. I've set it so it will take them out of automations and remove tags from members, so then they don't have the permission to see things in the website. So it will still keep their login and their email and that kind of information, but they just won't be able to access anything like videos, courses, the directory on the website, which is great. WooCommerce doesn't let you do that as much or as easily. I just love that Thrivecart lets us do it so much easier. So bonus facts about Thrivecart, I've already mentioned one, that the reason why I really love it is it's a one-off payment, so there's no ongoing subscriptions with it. Two, I also use it for all my affiliates as well. So within the Automation Girl and on my membership website, all the affiliates are all in one place and all in Thrivecart. So I can control all the different products that they can help me to promote. And that's also all linked to ActiveCampaign as well. So when someone becomes an affiliate, it triggers a welcome series for them in ActiveCampaign, adds tags for me, etc. So I absolutely love that. And then finally, for bonus of why I love Thrivecart and use it for my membership, is it has a really great subscription report. So being a membership owner, I want to know, what are my retention rates? How much are my monthly subscriptions making me? And all that kind of information. And Thrivecart have a really great reporting function in there that allows me to do that, which is just so important. So then I've mentioned before, we have that linked with ActiveCampaign. So ActiveCampaign, I've already touched on a little bit in a nutshell. It offers all of my freebies just on the front end of my website. I use it to send weekly member newsletters. Oh, sorry, if you don't know what ActiveCampaign is, it's basically a CRM or email marketing platform that allows me to send bulk emails to contacts or to clients, and also lets me have all their information in one place. Does killer automations. So yeah, I use it for all my freebies to send weekly member newsletters, email welcome series when people join, and also information about upcoming events. And most importantly, it allows me to really use the tag side of it. I use the tags in ActiveCampaign to control what people get access to in the website. And I do that with another plugin, which I'm going to get onto last. So if someone purchases my membership, when they log in, they're going to see a different menu pop up as opposed to the people who are logged out. So depending on even what level the membership might be, they might see different things on that menu, but it allows me to really customize that menu. Also different courses as well. So say if I have two different membership levels, one, they just get access to the community, the other one, they get access to the community and all the courses. It allows me to manipulate those different levels really, really easily just by the use of tags. So I do that by having ActiveCampaign integrated with WPFusion. So this is one of the most powerful plugins I've ever known in the way of being able to control, especially for membership owners. So it's a really small fee for what it does, which I absolutely love, and what you get in return is phenomenal. So this baby will trigger automations in ActiveCampaign for you if someone finishes a course. So say they've gone through a course, we use LearnDash for our courses, and they complete a course, we can trigger a congratulations on completing your course email through ActiveCampaign. So WPFusion lets ActiveCampaign talk to your website and lets your website talk to ActiveCampaign, where normally it's only your website talking to ActiveCampaign. So it actually lets us do the communication both ways, which is what makes it so powerful. So when a tag is added in ActiveCampaign, WPFusion will update all the tags for your contacts and your website. So everything about your members in both will basically align up, and it's WPFusion that lets us do that. It will also also guard pages. It will guard your courses. It will let you pick certain profile types automatically depending on what level someone picked of a product through Thrivecart. And it also goes into the details of if you've got a hyperlink to a Facebook group on your dashboard page for your members and you didn't want certain levels to see that, I can even control who sees that hyperlink and who doesn't, who sees a picture and who doesn't. So it just gives you so much manipulation and control of your website. It's absolutely fantastic. And there's also heaps of different programs that it works with. It also, again, it works with Elementor, which I've mentioned in some previous videos, which is what we use as our page builder. So all of these work beautifully with one another. And if you don't use ActiveCampaign, it still does link in with MailChimp, different forms, like it's just amazing. So I think that is it going through my notes. So that is basically the softwares that I use to manage my membership. So we've got Thrivecart, ActiveCampaign and WPFusion. Obviously there's a few other things that we've added onto the website as well, but having those three together has been absolutely phenomenal. And obviously it's keeping it as automated as possible as well. So if you'd like any help setting up your membership, I'd love to help bring your dream to life. We help set up memberships sites on WordPress that are absolutely beautiful for your user-friendly side of things, easy to navigate, easy for you to manage, but most of all as automated as possible, which is what we love at the Automation Girl. So if you want to get your hands on some freebies, I've got a freebie link down below, or you can find out more information about those services. Otherwise, I look forward to bringing you the next video.